In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable AI in Jira Cloud. By the end, you'll have smart features turned on so your teams can benefit from quicker insights and helpful automation right inside Jira. First, head over to Atlassian.com. If you don't already have an account, click sign up and create one so you can access your admin settings. If you do have an account, just make sure you're signed in with the right credentials that have admin permissions for your organization. Next, open a new browser tab and go to admin.atlassian.com. This is the central place where Atlassian organization settings are managed. On this page, select the organization you want to work on. If you're part of more than one org, take a moment to choose the correct one, since AI settings apply at the organization level and affect the products under it. Once you're in the correct organization, look to the left panel and click Apps. This section controls which apps and features are active across your organization, including AI settings. From there, open the drop-down and click AI settings. This takes you to the controls for Atlassian's AI features. You may see different options depending on the products in your org and your permissions, but we'll focus on enabling AI for Jira. In the same area, open the drop-down again and choose AI-enabled apps. This view shows which apps can have AI capabilities turned on or off, so you can manage them in one place. Now click Select Apps to activate. You'll be prompted to pick the products where you want AI features enabled. Choose Jira, then click Next. This confirms that AI will be specifically activated for Jira in your organization. To finish, click Activate. Atlassian will apply the change, and AI features for Jira will be switched on. If you don't see changes right away, give it a moment and refresh Jira. Sometimes it takes a short while for new settings to propagate. If you manage multiple sites, double check you enabled AI in the correct organization and product. That's it, you've enabled AI in Jira Cloud. With this turned on, your teams can start taking advantage of intelligent suggestions, summaries, and other productivity boosters designed to streamline work. Remember, you can always return to admin.atlassian.com, revisit apps, then AI settings to review or adjust these controls later. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more practical step-by-step tech guides.